Hello everybody, this is the Illustrator assignment, part of the assignment that I gave to you guys, the lecture. Let's create a new document here, and I will click OK in here. So it's just an introduction to it. Now let's start all over again. I don't want all the spaces here, so new, just one letter size, that's okay. Remember that you can export a headline to InDesign if you want a specific headline with a specific font. Let's say you have this and you want this in, let's say, orange headline, and if you click and hold Option, you make a copy of it, or copy and paste. Let's make this one black with no outline or stroke, and send this guy to back. So let's say that this is the headline I wanted, with a small, it's a cast shadow. It's a small shadow just to give volume to it. So you can export this as an AI, Adobe Illustrator, or EPS, or a PDF. For this case, CS5 and 5.5, that is what we are working now. You can export as an AI or Illustrator EPS. Both of them will work fine with it. So export that to use on your layout. We work on desktop and headline, and save. Keep all those options and you're set to go. So the other thing that you can make it here, as I told you guys, is a vector pathfinder. The vector pathfinder makes you, let you play with different shapes, and the pathfinder tool is just here, window pathfinder, that you can see the shortcut here, Shift Command F9. What the pathfinder tool will do is combine two elements. You see I put the rectangle on the top of the circle, and when you select both of them, the combinations here will appear. As you can see, we'll put the outline to you to see. So the rectangle and the circle, if I click Union it will transform in just one element. And to finalize this process, you should click on Expand. So that's what you need to do to finalize and save it. Other options to that are the minus front, so the object in front will be cropped, or minus back, so the intersection between the two objects, or the intersection between two objects will be empty. Other things that you can do is, let me change the color of this. Okay. Other thing that you can do is the divide option on Pathfinder. If you press divide and then ungroup, you can use all the objects as single objects together if you want to. You can make a composition of this then with the different elements. Okay, so this is the first lecture on Illustrator. Is just a warm-up to remember what you guys had on Intro to Max. Remember that on Illustrator you have the resolution free, so you can get super close and never had a problem with resolution. As you can see here, a super straight line, sharp line, a razor sharp line on here. Okay, so export anything that you need to the same folder you get your InDesign files and your pictures and your copy, and you'll be able to directly use this on InDesign. Okay, so we'll be back with this second class next week. Thank you and goodbye.